My name is Ramiro Salis. I live in this beautiful village called Varka. I am into business and a little bit of entertainment. Our village is very beautiful. We have fields, pristine beaches, mountains on one side, and very warm-hearted people. Now, we've been living in this house for almost 3.5 decades. I am the 4th generation. And when this house was built by my forefathers, my great-great-grandfather, he installed Saint Anne as a patron of this house. So if you see on the altar, she's right there in the middle as a patron ruling over this house. And ever since then, we've been venerating Saint Anne. When I was small, my father used to do it, and we used to join. He taught us to say the Novena and the Ladain and Salve, Anna, and all the hymns related to Saint Anne. So we do it. I am the 4th generation now, carrying on with this. 9 days we do the novenas, and on the 10th day we have a big feast with villagers and our neighbors all joining us in celebration. And it is really beautiful. We've received a lot of blessings and graces and guidance and protection from Saint Anne. And the good part is my children also, as of now, seem very enthusiastic. They also know to sing all the hymns and Salveana, Ladain of Ladain des Senora, which is the litany of Mother Mary. So it's really beautiful. It's a great feeling, and it's wonderful to have Saint Anne as the patron of our house. And we hope to carry this. That's what my children tell me, that they also want to carry this forward. So it's a great thing. And one thing good is a lot of neighbors, when they come, they also realize the importance of Saint Anne, and they've also given testimony that they've received a lot of blessings from Saint Anne. A friend of mine last time came. He's in the fishing business. He prayed for a good catch, and he did receive a good catch. So that means Saint Anne blesses everybody abundantly. Since Saint Anne is the patron of this house, there is absolutely no doubt in my mind that she intercedes for us, because over the years I've seen my parents, how they've been so pious and devout, my father, my mother, and we've grown up watching them. And we've also lived, now I'm married for 20 years. We've had a beautiful marriage. We've got 2 lovely children. And you cannot take all these blessings for granted. They are smart, intelligent, and also God-fearing. So you cannot take anything for granted. There's somebody who intercedes for us as the head of this house. So we believe that we've received a lot of blessings from Saint Anne, and we like to proclaim this, spread this around, so that there are more people who will come forward to venerate Saint Anne and receive the graces and blessings from Saint Anne. Now we are a family of 4 people, me, my wife, my son. Of course, they've gone to work. My daughter is here joining me, Danielle. And I want to share with you, there is something called Exultamus. It's a Latin hymn. It means, come, let us all sing. It's a very joyous kind of a hymn, which my father used to sing to near perfection. But the kind of passion and the emotion he used to put into singing this one, I cannot replicate it, nor can I sing it as good as he does. But I'll try to sing a few lines as best as I can. My daughter Danielle is going to join me. So here we go. Exultemos com alegria, exultemos com alegria, exultemos com alegria, com alegria, com alegria. El amor de Santa. Oh, viva, 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 el amor de Santa. Oh, viva, 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 hemos, hermanos, río, hemos, hermanos, río, hemos, hermanos, río, hemos, hermanos, río. Oh, viva, 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 viva. So our novenas normally start with the sign of the cross, and then we sing the rosary, the tears as we call it, of Saint Anne. It goes like this. Santa namozotko rami pordesham.
Santa namozotko rami pordesham.
So we sing it 10 times, then there comes the E Baigontiana Sorgichara Soloita Asburgancha Sangata Vinotikoram Chapasun. So there are 5 decades of this, and then we finish with the rosary, and then we go on to sing Ladain de Signora, the normal one.
Kyrie eleison, Christe eleison, Christe audino, Christe audinos.
So it goes on the entire Ladain de Signora, and then we sing
Salveana.
Salveana.
Salveana matrona nobilissima Azucena e fresca rosa mai de virge avo de Cristo Filho de Deus.
After that, we sing the hymn of Saint Anne. There are 4 or 5 of them. You can sing any of them. So we'll sing one of them. Okay. Santa Mãe de
Deus, Mãe de Deus.
Santa Mãe
de Deus, Mãe de Deus.
Rogai, rogai,
Rogai,
rogai, rogai,
rogai,
rogai a Jesus por nós. Rogai, rogai,
rogai,
rogai, rogai,
rogai,
rogai a Jesus por nós. São Joaquim, Pai de Mãe de Deus,
Mãe de Deus.
São Joaquim, Pai de Mãe de Deus,
Mãe de Deus.
rogai, rogai,
Rogai,
rogai, rogai,
rogai,
rogai a Jesus por nós. After that, we pray for our personal intention, for asking for her intercession, thanking her for all the blessings that we receive, and that's how we end the novena.
So, Saint Anne has been the patron saint of our house for a very long time, and this tradition holds a very special place in my heart and is extremely auspicious in our household. And this is purely because this tradition was started by my ancestors and then has been taught to me by my parents. My parents are very busy people, I'll be very honest. They have very busy schedules, a lot of things to be done. But they've taken time because they realize how important this is. They've taken time out of their busy schedules to teach us the importance of praying and the rosary and how important God is in our lives. They have kept this tradition alive and they have passed it down to us, and I will make sure that I carry it down for generations to come. My only advice is for other families, I would suggest that you start with the small habits, because as soon as the small habits really get enforced in your home, then you can go on to bigger things like this tradition itself. I would really encourage you. It brings the family together. It creates a lot of special bonds within the family, and this tradition can it can lead you to get everything that you want in life. And I'm saying that through personal experience. Praying to Saint Anne has gotten many of my wishes true, and I'm very thankful for that, and I would wish the same for everyone else.